It doesn't break very fast.
Well, it doesn't have break.
It doesn't?
No.
Bad curve. Bad curve.
Bad curb.
Oh. Bad Hudson.
Bad curve.
Bad
Curve was in my way. Who said put a curve there anyway?
Thomas,
Guys,
please stop.
just
Please stop, Thomas.
Oh, whoa!
There's so much takeoff.
So much torque.
That curve really likes me right there.
It does.
Oh, Hudson.
It doesn't reverse.
I'll see you guys later. See ya.
That wheel's like so off the ground.
I'm gonna back out here in a second.
Alright.
Whoa! Oh, nice.
Ooh, that's probably a bad idea. Note to self: don't turn in high speed.
Yeah. Now it's one thing to have a wicked fast car, it's another one to have very durable.
Oh, it brakes, but it doesn't reverse.
No, it's reversing.
That's weird.
No, it's not. No, it wasn't reversing.
Maybe when it flipped, you changed the setting.
Why is it reversing?
You have to double tap the reverse. Except it's not supposed to.
Oh, you double tap the reverse and then hit gas.
Maybe.
Must have been what it is. And gas is then reverse. So
No,
just so it
no,
does.
push it. It's double tap and then backwards too.
Oh, huh. That's interesting.
But it's in sport mode. It wasn't supposed to reverse.
Not reversing. It's something to do with turning too, because look, watch. Hey, you have to turn.
That's weird.
That is weird. What kind of a track was it?
It was just like a small ovular track with a bunch of jumps and stuff on it.